Hello friends, and this is our first video in the Python programming language tutorial. And in this tutorial we are gonna look about Python. We are gonna learn what is Python. This is just an introduction video to Python. Okay, so Python is a high level programming language. That means humans, we can easily understand its code, but for computer it needs to be converted into machine language, and then computer can run our program. Python is an object-oriented programming language. It is easy and readable. As I told you, Python can be easily read by humans, and it is a very easy language to understand the code, and also perfect language for beginners. It was created by Guido van Rossum. Okay, Python is a cross-platform programming language. That means that the code of Python can run in Windows, Mac, and Linux as well. It supports dynamic data types, which means that any variable of any data type can be created at runtime, and also we can use Python to create GUI applications very easily. Okay, so that is done by the Kinter library, and we'll learn about that later. In Python we can also do the backend web development and Android app development, and the backend using the Django framework and Android using the Kiwi framework. And Python is one of the fastest growing programming language. Okay, and we'll look about Kiwi and Django also in the coming videos tutorials. And this is it for this video. Meet you in the next video.